There's gotta be some way we can all get on that ride.
There doesn't gotta be.
I hope we figure it out soon. This is more exhausting than playing a double set. Perfect! You okay, Kaz?
This fur makes my nose itch. Ah,
Let's ride.